Do you want to hear a nightmare story about my experience with an ex-client? If you have a business or you're thinking about starting one, then these stories might help you and even make you laugh. The purpose of this channel is to share my 20 years experience in business, the good, the bad, and the damn right ugly situations that I've personally been through, so that you can benefit from them and you won't have to suffer through the same pain. And it might stop you making the same costly mistakes that I did. So let's get into it. A few years ago, I was running a large marketing agency in Marbella, Spain, and everything was great. I employed lots of staff and had lots of clients. But I had this one client. She owned a cosmetic makeup business, mainly selling skin treatments and facials. But what she really specialized in was eyebrow tattoos, and she was actually really good at it. I was so impressed with her. It looked awesome. Anyway, one day she contacted me and said, "I'm only about 30% booked each month. Is there anything you can do to help and get more bookings in?" I said, "Yes, there's lots of things we can do. Have you tried running Facebook ads?" She said, "No, I haven't got a clue about any of that stuff." So I said, "Let's meet up for a coffee and we can talk about it." So before I went to meet her, I planned everything out that I was going to do for her. I was excited about it, and I knew it would fill up her bookings and change her business. I even created a demo ad by getting my staff in the office to role play how the ad would roughly look. We met at the coffee shop, we had a quick catch up and a drink, and then I started to reveal my plan to her. I showed her the demo ad and walked her through the concept of the whole idea. Her face changed. She went from being happy to being quite angry. I was shocked. And she said, "I'm not doing that. It will ruin my business and reputation." I tried to reassure her that it would be great for her business, but there was no way to change her mind. It was over and I was shocked. Not only was I surprised with her reaction, I'd also lost a client now. Anyway, we parted ways and that was that. 4 months go past and I've been busy with other clients and things are good. And then I get a new client, another cosmetic makeup artist. She starts telling me that she's got problems with low booking numbers in her clinic. My eyes light up and I'm like, I might just have the thing for you that will solve that problem. Hang on. So I showed her the ad and she loved it and thought it was really funny actually. So we set up the Facebook ads and we was off. She went on to make 112,000 euros over 6 months with that ad. She was over the moon and I was happy, but I couldn't stop thinking about my previous client still struggling. So I decided to send her a copy of the ad and show her how much money it had made for the other client. I wrote her a note saying, "I think you need to see this. This ad made over 100,000 euros. Please have it and use it in your business. It's my gift to you." So what are the lessons I learned in this experience? Well, don't take client rejection personally. Their no is usually about their comfort zone and not your skills and ideas. One client's trash is another client's treasure. What one person rejects might be exactly what someone else needs. Timing and mindset matter more than the solution. The same strategy can fail or it can make a lot of money depending on the client's readiness to change and embrace it. Always keep your best ideas. Today's rejected concept might be tomorrow's biggest win for the right client. Success stories always sell better than promises. Actual results convince clients far more than potential outcomes will ever will. Anyway, it turned out great for both clinics in this story. They are both really good friends of mine today and all is good. If you want to hear more business stories like this, please subscribe to the channel.